friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to share with you how we created DIY porch swing. Let's go ahead and get started. First, at a home improvement store, we got these type of boards. These are, as you can see over here, a 2x3, 1x4, 2x2, and 1x2. And as you can see, we got this many pieces of each. Next, we cut them all to size. I'm not going to show every single detail of how we cut everything, but this is just what I'm using, miter saw, but you can really use any saw that you have on hand. Okay, now that we have that, first we're setting up the base. This is the base, and I want to show you right now the dimensions. So it is 6 feet in length, 2 feet in width, but the inner portions, the inner boards are 22 inches. So this is how it fits our porch. It fits our studs where the hooks are connected to in the ceiling. So really you can create your own depending on the size of the swing that you want. But I wanted to show you the exact measurement so you guys can, calculate your own. Just for reference, so you can calculate on your own. So first, what we did, we just connected everything with the nail gun. It was easier than to screw everything right away. So this is just to hold everything together, and after that, we added screws. So right now, first, I am just drilling a little bit of a hole. That way, it's going to be almost like a pocket hole. I don't even know how to explain. So just little indentation. So when we use the screws, which these are the screws that we use, just the 3-inch wood screws, when we screw them in, they're gonna lay flat in that indentation. So that way everything will be nice and seamless. And here it is. This is how it looks like. Now, a next step, this is how the base looks like. We put the 4 corners, attaching them only with the nail gun just to be able to support everything, but we later on attach everything with the screws, of course. And I'm just showing you over here the board. This is the bottom, so the boards are gonna come on the bottom later on. Next thing, we are attaching boards that are going to be pretty much handles for our hands, and here it is, to support 2 corners. And I'm just, again, using a drill to drill everything, using a leveler, making sure everything is nice and leveled. My father-in-law actually made a design, and he helped everything along the way. Without him, I probably wouldn't be able to do it, or at least not as fast. This was completed within 2 afternoons. So now this board was over here put to create kind of a ledge on a bottom of actually front of the bottom. I don't know if that makes sense, but when you're sitting, it will be literally about below your knees. So again, using just a nail gun to be able to secure everything, to maneuver it more easily. And here it is. This is how it looks like. Now we put the back. So as you can see, this is how it looks like. We just have the bones of the swing. But before we continue, I want to tell you that this video is actually part of the collaboration. What would you make? I love to participate in this collaboration because I love working with wood, and this is perfect for me. This collaboration is happening, or challenge is happening every single month. The host of this challenge is Brenda over at Rustic and Lace DIY, and another host is Christine over at DIY Craftaholic. This month, co-host is Sandra over at DIYs at the Schwalmen's Nest. And I'm going to have the link in the description box for the playlist, so you can go ahead and check out a bunch of ideas that all the other creators that participated are going to show you. And I'm sure they're going to create something amazing and give you ideas for your own home. Alrighty, next we're putting the back slats. We just took 1 piece of wood to be a spacer, pretty much. But again, this is very optional. You can space them out any way that you want. We found this the easiest way to do it. We cut that little square to the size that we wanted, and it worked out perfectly. Of course, using a leveler, making sure everything is nice and leveled. Now, when all of them are done, this is how it looks like. Now it's already starting to take a shape and making actually starting to look like a swing. Alrighty, after this portion is done, it is time to lay the bottom. So again, using a nail gun at the beginning just to secure everything. We secured it pretty well for like with 3 or 4 nails in each connection. Later on, at the beginning just one, and later on more, and then we added screws as well for additional security. Now as you can see over here, we used one to create a spacing over here, and that worked out perfectly as well. Alrighty, now that that part is done, this is how it looks like. It already looks amazing. Next thing, we took one of the 2x2 boards and put them on the top of the swing, kind of to finish everything off and cover up those ends of the slats. And here it is. This is how it looks like. Again, attaching everything with a nail gun, and after that with some screws. Next, we're putting the ledges on the where the handle are going to be. And then my father-in-law already cut out to fit perfectly, and I'm using a nail gun to secure everything. We did that, of course, on both sides, and this is how it looks like. Now it is time to cut everything, all the excess off, all the ones that are sticking out on top. And here it is. My father-in-law is actually sanding everything right now. After everything was nice and sanded, and of course we sanded everything prior to putting it. This is just like a finishing sanding. And then we put the slats on the sides over here of the swing, as you can see. And then that's going to be it for this portion. But now I want to welcome all of you that are new to our channel, and all of you that are coming back. Thank you so much for all your support on our channel. We share a lot of budget-friendly DIYs, and then the core ideas, thrift flips, home improvement DIYs, pretty much anything that we do, or anything that we use in our home, any ideas, but most of them are budget-friendly. If you're new, please subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell on. That way you will not miss out on any of our new videos. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That means a lot to us, and also helps our channel getting promoted on YouTube. If there is something you would like to see on our channel that is not listed over here, please let us know in the comments down below. And if you're new, introduce yourself. Alrighty, back to the swing. Now that this part is done, it is time to use this Valspar semi-transparent stain that actually we used the color, actually tint color, Wellington Brown, that they mixed it for us in Lowe's. And this is how it looks like after the first coat. It is not shiny at all, so it also didn't cover well, so we had to put 2 coats. And then we also used first those black hooks and eye hooks, but they were not strong whatsoever. So we ended up going with these stainless steel. We had to replace them, and we got these hooks and carabiners. After that, we're using this Minwax indoor and outdoor stain, or actually protective finish, and this is how it looks like. This one's supposed to protect from any element, outdoor elements, so we think it's gonna be perfect. Now, as you can see, we have 1 black carabiners that we're going to replace eventually, actually 2, because we couldn't find the same color, but eventually we will replace it. But this is how the swing looked like. We cannot be happier. We love our swing. Our kids were so happy that we have it again in this house. And then this is the cushion that we put. I saved it from our old house, and you can find my video. I'm going to link it in the description box, but this is the thumbnail. You can search it by yourself. I show in details how I created that cushion. Now, I want to hear from you guys. What do you think about this porch swing? I know we love it, and we're going to use it every single day. Tell me, is this something that you would maybe try to recreate? And make sure to check out the description box for the playlist, and I will see you in our next video. Bye, guys.